this is Shubham from Gossipfunda, and today I'm going to elaborate about the topic OEM unlock and how to enable it and what type, like how it is used to help the mobile device in various file downloading and other stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let us first know what is OEM and OEM unlocking. Well, to the reference, I would like to say that OEM or original equipment manufacturer is a broad term that describes a web of relationships among IT hardware vendors, hardware component makers, software vendors as well, and channel partners such as resellers and distributors. Enabling OEM unlock and that allows you to unlock the bootloader of the Android device. By unlocking bootloader, you can install custom recovery, and with a custom recovery, you can flash Magisk, which will grant a super user access. Like you can control things by yourself. You can say unlocking OEM is the first step of rooting an Android device. Yes, very good for hackers and web developers as well. So on the first step, one has to go to developer options in the additional settings area. Click on the developer options and there you see OEM unlocking. So enable it. So it requires a password. Let me complete the password and then show you the further process. As you can see here, it is showing device protection features will not work on this device. The setting is turned on. This simply means that if you down any log file or any other type of file which is not compatible with the device, it will sure shot not download the file and delete the apks and other stuffs in that, and will not protect the device from the malwares and other stuffs. And the further process to how to be a developer or how to download the developer option, one has to go to the MIUI settings of MI devices on the Android and click on the Android for like 4 to 6 times, and then now you can become a developer. The step is very easy and it would help to get you to the developer options, and you can enable such settings that you can't when the phone is on raw mode. And this OEM unlocking setting also helps you to root your phone. Like if you turn on the feature, you can root your phone, and if it is off, you can't root because it will protect the device from the malwares and softwares you want to download. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, comment, and share it to your friends if it is helpful, and do subscribe to Gossip Funda. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section. See you in the next video. Do subscribe.